Hi, today we're going to read the text called My Pet Dog. You will be reading words that have short E. Short E says eh. Say that with me. Short E says eh. Very good. You are also going to be reading the words to know. Those are our sight words. W-H-E-N, when. H-E-R, her. S-H-E, she. A-L-L, all. And here's a little review sight word. That is the word what. I hope that you already knew that one. If not, that's okay. We're going to practice again. What. So again, we have when, her, she, all, and what. And I want you to try to read this story with me, and it is okay if you have to sound the words out and go slower than me. You just pause the video and then press play again when you're ready to hear the whole sentence. We are going to be reading words with the eh sound in the middle of the word. Let's warm up a little bit and tap out some of the words we might be reading. Tell me the sounds from the word pet. Yes, pet. And is in the middle of the word pet. It's the middle sound. Let's tap out the sounds in the word ten. Ten. Tell me the sounds in the word ten. Good. And is in the middle of the word ten? Yes, is in the middle of the word ten. Let's tap out the sounds in the word when. When. Again, is in the middle of the word when. So 10 and when, all we did was change the beginning sound to change that word. We changed the beginning sound from t to w. Now, let's go ahead and read this text. My Pet Dog. My Pet Dog by Nina Walker. All 10 pets can sit. All 10 pets can fit when they sit. Ben is her pet dog. Can Ben get a big pat? I hope she can pat Ben. Do you know why B is capitalized in the sentence? I hope you just said because that is his name. We always put a capital letter at the beginning of someone's name when we're spelling it. And the sounds in Ben are B, Ben. Let's read the next page. Ted is her pet dog. Can Ted get a big pat? Deb ran. What did she get? What did she get? And Deb is the dog. That's her name. Meg ran over here. What did she get? This is called a frisbee. So the dog named Meg got a frisbee. If you didn't know that word is frisbee. Let me throw it to a friend. Peg can fit in the bag. Peg can sit in it. Where is Peg in this page? Oh, she's in a bag. Very good, little puppies. I hope that you enjoyed reading this text, and now I want you to go back and go on a word hunt. So we'll say round and round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Find the word when. You're going to do that for every word. When, her, she, and all. And if you can add that little what in there, even better for review. Please let me know how you liked this video and this story. And if you were able to read it yourself using your own student book, I bet your teacher would love to see a video of you reading it on your own. Enjoy.